do that for?
That's a trash can, not a recycling bin.
Why would that matter?
This is the problem. According to the EPA, 2/3 or around 5 billion people of the human population do not know the difference between recyclable and trash items. In the US, more than 35 million tons of plastic were generated in 2018, but only 8.7% was of that proper recycled. The world generated 62 million tons of e-waste in 2022, but only 22.3% was properly collected and recycled. This becomes a major issue in the environment, not just in the nation, but in the world as a whole. Well, what marketing strategy could 4 students create to promote EcoEarth? Our main partner is Recycle My Battery, a youth-led nonprofit founded by Srinihal Tamana that focuses on battery recycling awareness and safe disposal. This connects perfectly with EcoEarth because when our app detects a battery or e-waste item, it can guide users toward real battery recycling resources instead of just giving basic advice. Recycle My Battery has already helped recycle over 700,000 batteries and educated 75 million people, showing that this is not just an idea, but a real movement we are building on.
Another way to market is this QR code right here. It will take you right to our website.
After designing the main features, we built EcoEarth with a React and TypeScript front-end styled using Tailwind CSS plus back-end API routes, external APIs, and a disposal rules database. When a user scans an item, the image is sent to the back-end where Gemini 2.5 Flash Lite for processing identifies the item and material. We use this specific LLM because it has one of the lowest latency speeds out of any available LLM, and it allows users to get the fastest possible results. The backend then checks recycling rules and can use a Maps API with the user's zip code, not their address, to find nearby drop-off centers. We chose this stack because it is fast and keeps the user experience simple. For security, we hide API keys, validate inputs, use zip codes instead of addresses, and avoid storing unnecessary personal data.
So I'll log in, continue with Apple right now. We also have continue with Google. We'll use my Face ID real quick. And then it'll take a couple seconds to load in. And it will land me on my dashboard, which has all the environmental aspects I've contributed to. So right here. And then we can also see the gamify version of it, rankings, which you get more eco points from. For right now, I'll use a Recyc AI, and I'll use an image of a water bottle. It'll analyze. It'll give me the information about the item and if it's recyclable or trash. I can add this and gain some eco points and contribute to the total pounds. Now I enter my zip code and I can find the closest recycle center to me. And I can simply get the directions to that. Then this is my carbon footprint. It has visual data regarding all my things I do in a day-to-day basis. And then this is the global dashboard, which has all the stuff in it. Then we can talk to our fine-tuned AI chatbot, which was tuned to my carbon footprint. And I'll just ask it, is a greasy pizza box recyclable? And it says, unfortunately, it's not. And that's that.